I got some mints because the breath cannot be stinking.
I love to get to one when the drink be too strong, when the tree be way too strong. Get me to turn up, rap, pour it on up till I can't even think no more. Can't wait to go come then, come up, come down. We can keep it lit, let's roll. I love to get to one, let's roll.
Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. My name is Keishante Chantel. So welcome to my channel. This is a part 2 to my just kind of spend a day with me video. So I decided to break it up because I'm trying not to make my videos too long. People don't want to see videos that are long and drawn out, and I do pay attention to my analytics. So I just wanted to make a very quick haul video, just kind of showing you the things that I brought throughout my day. So this outfit that I have on, it's like loungewear. It's going to be a little bit later on in the video, but I'm just showing you things that I got from everywhere, from TJ Maxx, Walmart, the Dollar Tree, Ross, because I went to a bunch of different stores and I just want to show you guys what I got. So before we jump into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family, and we'll just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first. I just want to know if you know, because I didn't know and didn't nobody tell me. But the Dollar Tree, that was like one of my first stops. The Dollar Tree has some poppin' lashes. So I am wearing Dollar Tree lashes. Yes, you heard it right. Dollar Tree lashes. So these are the ones that I picked up. They're by Ayani. And I got this one. It's like a mink. It's supposed to be 3D faux mink. These were $1.25 a piece. And of course, the ones that I got on, I was just so like drawn to them. They don't feel plasticky. I don't in any way believe that they're 100% mink or 100% human hair. I believe they are mink-like, but nonetheless, they're just like the ones that I wear all the time. So I got like, I don't know, 6 pairs of this specific style. Like, look at them. So if you knew about these lashes and you didn't put me on, I'm mad. I'm big mad. Because these are everything. These are going to now be my new go-to lashes. So again, they should be at every single Dollar Tree. There is a green pair that I saw somebody talking about. And they didn't have those, unfortunately. They did have some individual ones, but I'm just not into the individual lashes. It's very time consuming. I have not yet had a chance to try these out, but yeah, girl, go get you some Dollar Tree lashes because they are popping, baby. Next, what I picked up from the Dollar Tree is like just little snacks. Like, I got some candy. I've been wanting to try these Sour Patch things for a long time. These are the watermelon flavor. These are the strawberry. I got some mints because the breath cannot be stinking. Okay? So, what else did I pick up? I picked up, I don't know, I was on my period, so I just wanted cookies. I saw these, they had chocolate in the middle, and at the time, like, I walked into the Dollar Tree hungry, so everything that I saw that could have been like snack wise, I just started picking up. Don't pay me no attention. Like, I don't even know if those are good or not, but we're gonna try them. I also picked up, so I love cereal. Cereal is just kind of one of these things. For me, it's hit or miss. I'll have a craving for it like 1 minute, and then the next minute, I don't want it anymore. So a lot of cereal tends to go to waste. So if you shop at the Dollar Tree, they have these little bags like this. I got the Fruity Pebbles, and then I got the Fruit Loops. So I can pretty much get my one-time use. This says 2 servings, but whoever eats just 1 bowl of cereal. So I got these because it's very convenient for me. Now, if you think about it, like, I spent $3 for both of these, and that's just 1 box of cereal in general. But again, I won't be wasting the cereal. So they had other flavors like Honey Nut Cheerios, Apple Jacks, Captain Crunch. So that's just like my new go-to. I stopped by Five and Below, and if you are new to this channel, then of course I am just a huge, I love anime. Anime is my life. It's not my personality, but it's definitely my life. And I eat, sleep, breathe it. I love it. And so they had these pins. Now these were $4.50 a piece. They had the Hunter x Hunter ones, which are super cute. They also had Inuyasha, which is really cute. And then this is my favorite anime of all time. This is the reason why I got into anime as hard as I was, or as I am, because I grew up watching Sailor Moon, but that's neither here nor there. I just fell in love with Naruto. And yeah, so I got these from Five and Below. Select stores may have them. I don't know. I feel like most Five and Belows should carry the same thing. And speaking of Naruto, again, I went to not Five and Below. I went to Ross, and they had these. I could not pass them up. Like, look at them. They're to die for. So anyway, if I see anything with Naruto on it, I just have a habit of buying it. And it is what it is. And then the last thing that I got from Ross was so super cute. They are Golden Girl shot glasses. So like, I mean, Betty White and Sophia was always my two favorite Golden Girls. Mainly Sophia, because she just has my personality. But I just thought these were cute, and they were only $5.99. So I couldn't beat that. Okay, so I went to the hair store, and I picked up this really cute headband. The girl on the front, she's just wearing the hell out of it. And I just was like, I want that. So I got this headband. I also needed another edge scarf. And I just thought the colors in this was like so fun and so pretty. And it was only $2.99. So I got that. And then I don't know about y'all or where y'all get your earrings from, but like when it comes to like places like Forever 21 and H&M, and even Urban Outfitters, because I seen it in there, they be selling these hoops like this for like $15. I pay $1 for these things at the hair store. I've got 3 pair of earrings. I got a different style in gold, and then I have another style in gold, and I only paid $3 for those. And then they had these, which were so pretty, and these were $1 as well. Like, come on, those, like, if you're not getting your earrings, like, I want to say I got these from Charming Charlie a while back when I used to work there. But and then I picked up this. This is what I use for my lashes. No, it is not lash glue, so I don't want to hear anybody's mouth about, oh my gosh, that's not safe for your eyes, because whatever. I have Duo. I have like 5 different kinds of Duo laying around here. I even have like clear adhesive. Like, I don't like those particular kinds of lash glue. It's just not for me. Yes, I can use it. If I was still actively doing makeup, I would never put that on a client. But what I put on myself is for me. So I'm not telling you that you should put it on, but please understand that I do use hair glue to apply my lashes, and it is what it is. So, and then I also got some edge booster, edge control, because I have like very thin hair, so that's the only edge control that I can use. And of course I did put my tape-in extensions back in with a little bit of some highlights. Well, I did a little bit of balayage. But anyway, we're gonna get into the
boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. Cause you serve me on a Sunday. You love, boy, this time is wrong. want you to know. I want you to know you lost yourself. You never really used it before. Now explore, baby. We should show that. Rock the boat, work it in, work the middle, work the middle, work the middle. Change positions. Oh, now stroke it, baby, stroke it for me, stroke it for me, stroke it for me, stroke it for me. Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. Stroke it. There is something I want you to. I want you to rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat, work it in, work the middle, work the middle, work the middle. Change positions. Oh, now stroke it, baby, stroke it for me, stroke it for me, stroke it for me, stroke it for me. Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. There is something I want you to. I want you to.